What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're going to be drawing D.O. from Star Wars. Now we're going to be drawing this character from the side profile. So let's start with the bottom edge of the head with a straight line. Starting from the left, we're going to go straight across towards the right. Let's go back to the left side. I'm going to draw a short angled line going up and out towards the left. Now the head's going to get wider as we come back. So start back here, we're going to go up in an angle with that same length line that we have along the bottom. Bring this up to right about there. Now I'm going to connect the top and bottom with a curve. Go out towards the right, pull this down, and then in towards the bottom. Let's add that trim across the front. We're going to take this same angled line, move back, and come all the way down from top to bottom. Let's add that slit across the top of the head. We take this same angled line, step down, it's going to follow that all the way up to right about there. Let's round out the ends. And pull in the bottom, and then the top. Then we'll close off the bottom with that same angled line. Now we're going to fill this area in black. Now we're going to add 3 antennas across the back of the head. From this point, we're going to step down, we're going to draw that same angled line, going up and out, step down, draw the same length line. Now let's come down to the bottom. We're going to move up from the corner, draw a straight line coming back out. Now I just want to thicken up these antennas. So we're going to start back at the front, just going to thicken it up and just round out the ends. Now we're going to move down and draw on the neck. Right in the center, we're going to draw 2 angled lines. One coming down and out towards the left, and then one towards the right. And we'll flatten off the bottom. Now we're going to add some texture across the neck. We'll draw a series of straight lines going across, all the way up towards the top. Let's add a circle right in the center. Starting from the top, come all the way around, and then back up. And we're going to trace this circle out on the inside. And then we're going to add a smaller circle over towards the right. Now we're going to layer the box in behind these circles. We'll start from the left corner. We're going to draw a short line going out on the left and right side. We're going to round these out, mostly drawing a bracket. And then we'll pull this in behind the circles. Now from the bottom of the largest circle, we're going to draw 2 straight lines coming down. Start on the left side, down to right about there, go to the right, and do the same thing. And then we'll connect the bottom of the lines with a circle. Starting on the left, we're going to go all the way around, and then back in, and we'll draw a smaller circle in the center. We're also going to draw that same size circle right beside along the bottom on the right. About halfway down this arm, we're going to draw 2 straight lines going out. We'll close off the end. Now we're going to connect these 2 smaller circles with 2 straight lines going in behind this box. Let's start with the top and come all the way down towards the bottom. Now let's add the cable. Starting from the back of the neck, curve out, around the box, in. I'm just going to pull that down towards the top corner, and we're going to trace this out on the inside and all the way down. And then from the bottom corner, we continue that cable going out and then pulling that in towards that bottom circle. And then again, we're going to trace this out on the inside. Now we're going to go in and layer the tire in behind. Now we want to make sure that this circle is the center of our tire. So start up here, curve out, and pull this down towards the bottom. Again, we're just going to check to make sure that this is the center. Continue up on the right, and up towards the top. And we're just going to fill in the gaps. And now we're going to trace this circle along the inside. So we're going to step down, You want to leave an even space gap all the way around. And then again, we're going to fill in the gaps. Let's add some detail to the wheel. Just up above the circle, we're going to draw a straight line from left to right. From the inner circle, going in behind the arms, in behind the wire, and back out towards the right. And then from the left side, we're going to draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom. We'll go over towards the right, in behind the cable, come all the way down. Let's go back over to the left side, draw a straight line coming in towards the line, leave a gap, and continue on the right. Let's add some detail in these areas. From this line, about halfway, we'll step up, draw a line coming in, and we're going to continue this all the way up towards the top. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right side, just going across halfway. And then we're going to move down, draw two short lines coming in, go up and in with an angle, and then we'll close off the top. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's D.O. from Star Wars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.